In today's video, I'll show you how to use Notion AI first. I'm going to open my browser and search for Notion on Google. I'll click on the first official link to access the website. Once the homepage loads, I click the blue button that says Get Notion Free. This takes me to the sign up page, where I'm going to choose to continue with Google. I select my Google account, review the access permissions, and hit Continue to start setting up the workspace. Next, Notion asks how I want to use the platform. I select the options for work, personal life, and school, and then click Continue. On the team setup page, I click the copy invite link and then hit Continue. For the plan selection, I stick with the free tier and click Continue. When the desktop app prompt appears, I click Skip for now to load the browser interface. Now that I'm in the workspace, the Notion AI Assistant pops up. It asks what I want to do first, so I select Manage Projects. When it asks for a role, I click on Design. Next, I specify the team size by selecting a small team. The AI outlines a plan for a project tracker, so I click Yes, Build It. The AI immediately begins processing, automatically building out a complete Design Team Hub workspace with tasks and projects databases. I can click inside the page and press the / key to see all the blocks and options available. To create a new page from scratch, I go to the sidebar, click Add, New, and choose an empty page. I click the Edit with AI option to open the prompt bar. I'm going to type in a schedule of 5 days work, 2 days rest, and hit Enter. Notion AI goes to work, instantly generating a weekly rotation guide, a beautiful 4-week schedule table, and helpful notes. After reviewing the layout, I click Accept to save the changes, and now I can scroll through my brand new AI-generated dashboard. And that's it. That's how you use Notion AI.